In this video, let's see how to set up yCrash agent in Enterprise Edition. Download the latest yCrash agent using the hyperlink. Once it is downloaded, unzip the ycagentlatest.zip file. In the unzipped folder you will find an agent script by operating system. Since I am running on the Mac machine, I am using this script. Create the agent configuration file by name ycagent.yaml in the same directory where you unzipped the agent. Copy the content of this file from the instruction page. Paste it in the created file. Replace your Java home directory path here. Agent can be triggered using the highlighted command. We need to know the get process ID to trigger the agent. For this, I am executing the ps command. Now trigger the yCrash agent as shown. It will take a few seconds to run. Go to the calendar dashboard page where you can find the incident reported. If you click on this incident, it will show you the summary report. Thank you for watching this video and follow us for more updates.